In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a social media bar. We'll be working inside the Wix editor, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clickable social media bar that links directly to your own profiles. This is a great way to help visitors quickly find and follow you across different platforms. First, make sure you're in the editor view of your Wix site. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the plus icon, which is the button you use to add elements to your page. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This opens up a panel with all the different types of content you can add, like text, images, and more. From this panel, you want to find the category labeled social. Click on social to open it. This section is dedicated to social media elements that Wix provides, so everything here is designed to help connect your site to your social platforms. Inside the social category, look for the option called Social Bar. A social bar is simply a row of social media icons that visitors can click to go to your profiles. Click on Social Bar and you'll see several style options appear, each with different designs and icon layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and choose the style that best fits your website's look and feel. Once you've found one you like, click on it to select it. The social bar will automatically be added to your page. You can drag it to the header, the footer, or any section of the page, depending on where you want it to appear. Now that the bar is on your page, you need to connect the icons to your actual social media accounts. Click on the social bar and a small menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option that says Set Social Links and click it. This will open a settings window showing each icon in your social bar. Here, click on each social icon one by one. For each icon, you can edit its details. Add a clear title such as Facebook page or Instagram profile so you can easily recognize it later. Then paste or type in the full link to your social media profile. Make sure the URL is correct and starts with HTTPS so it works properly. Repeat this for every icon in your bar. When you're finished, close the settings, preview your site, and test each icon to confirm they open the right pages. And that's how you create a social media bar in Wix.